In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to open an Amazon Seller Central account. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It just takes 5 seconds of your time. Hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as possible. And if you're new to this channel and want to start selling on Amazon and grow a long-term Amazon business, you found the right channel, because I have been selling on Amazon for about 5 years now, and every year my Amazon business has been growing year by year. And now, as of last year, I've made over $1 million in sales, and I'm teaching you step by step of how to do the same exact thing. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So opening an Amazon Seller Central account is quite easy. There's two options that you can do. There's a free account that I really recommend you to do, and there's a professional account that charges around $40 a month. But as of right now, I really recommend you to start that free one, because with the free one, you get more familiar with the Amazon platform if you want to start selling on Amazon and all those steps. So that's how I started. I didn't go straight to the professional. I started with that free one, and then I started my product research of finding the right products to start selling on Amazon. And I did some product research. I found the products from China, shipped it over to Amazon's warehouse. And then after that, I switched to professional, which was $40 a month. But at that time, I'm already starting to make money online. And like I said, Amazon's a great business, huge, amazing business concept if you do it correctly, because with Amazon FBA, the great thing about it is that you have all your products in Amazon's warehouse. So you really don't have to do too much when it comes to shipping out, doing manual labor. A lot of Amazon's like packing, shipping, delivering it to the customer. Amazon does all that for you. You do have to pay a percentage of fee for it, but if you do it correctly, it's a way easier operation to scale a long-term business rather than doing it yourself or having the inventory in your possession, like your home or anything like that. For example, recording this video, I'm currently in a hotel room right now. If you notice, it's a different setup, but I'm in a hotel room. I'm currently in Thailand, and I'm just recording this video because I want to keep pulling out content for you guys and help you guys out as much as possible. So let's open that Amazon Seller Central account right now, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get that free account as well. So you can see here, I'm on Google right now. We're gonna go to sell.amazon.com, and this is how you will start opening an Amazon Seller Central account. Sell.amazon.com, we're gonna click it here. And with this, you're gonna go to pricing. You can go down here to pricing, and if you scroll down here, you're gonna be able to see the different types. So the individual and the professional plan. I recommend the individual. It's free and it's only charges 99 cents per item sold plus additional fees. And this is for FBM. FBM stands for fulfilled by merchant. So that's when you're selling it from your home and it's not Amazon Prime. So I really don't recommend you to do it. I always recommend FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. This allows you to have your products on Amazon Prime, and it's just a way better system. Amazon recommends it. It definitely pushes it up in the listing for you to get it on that first page. FBM, a little bit harder, and you have to do a lot more manual labor. So I really recommend FBA. It's a lot easier to scale a long-term business as well. So you're gonna sign up as an individual. You can still do FBA as an individual, and then we're gonna upgrade to the professional later on once we have our whole system going. So click here, sign up for individual. You're just gonna put your information here, email and the password. I recommend you to create your own Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, I recommend you to have it separate from your personal one, just because you'll want to mix your business one with your personal one. And this is what I recommend you to do. Create a separate Amazon account for Amazon Seller Central. That way it's both separated. So once you open your Amazon Seller Central account, then you're gonna see the home page similar to this. And this is how Amazon Seller Central is. I know for beginners, and especially when I first started off, this seemed very confusing. Like there's so much like things you have to learn and all this stuff. But honestly, I only use about 4 to 5 features on the Amazon Seller Central account, and that's about it. So I'm gonna run you through exactly what you need to know and some stuff that you really don't need to focus on that much. So this is the home page. This shows you your sales of today. It's really early right here. So I mean 7 in the morning in Miami, it's 7 p.m. here. So yeah, for 7 a.m. that's a lot of sales. So total balance is the payout that I should be receiving. So in the 26th, I should be receiving $32,000, which is amazing. And we're gonna go back to the home page here. And yeah, you have the buy box here, which is, I'll speak more about that later on. And what's cool about Amazon is that once you start getting the ball rolling and having a long-term business, they even give you a lending option. So it just shows you like the potential of growing on Amazon. So I currently have a loan here using Marcus Goldman Sachs, but they can even offer you like this is offering me $147,000 to grow my online business. That's insane, and Amazon's offering it to me. Of course I have to pay interest on it, but if you really need capital and growing a long-term business and you need it really quickly, and you know that the product idea that you have is really good, you know, maybe take a little quick loan if you need a little bit extra money, and then you can just grow a long-term business. Like I said, 5 years of selling on Amazon, and every year I've been growing it about 50 to 100%. First year made around $300 profit. In the second year, 600,000, 1,300. Now as of last year, around $2,000 profit daily, which is amazing. But of course it took a lot of time and effort. So the tools that I use for Amazon Seller Central account mainly is inventory, manage all inventory. I'm gonna click these later on. I use the advertising, Amazon PPC, which is Amazon pay-per-click. Campaigns here, this is what I mainly use. And I really don't use any of these performance apps or anything like that. I don't use manage orders as well because Amazon does the orders. I really just use manage inventory and shipments when I need to ship my products to Amazon's warehouse. So let's click manage inventory, and this is how you're gonna make your Amazon listing, and this is how you manage your inventory to actually make your own listing and selling your own product on Amazon. You're gonna click add a product here, and then you're gonna click adding a product now tool on Amazon. And then for example, I made a fake listing here, but you would just type in anything you want here of the category. And I have a whole separate video of this of how to make the listing as well, but I'm just making this really brief for you guys. So you put the UPC code, you can get UPC code on nationwide barcode, you put your product name and brand name, and you'll be able to make your Amazon listing. And then you ship your products to Amazon's warehouse from your supplier from China. And of course this is a lot of information, but we're just on this video are making our Amazon Seller Central account. And I'm just running you through a few of the most important tabs on Amazon Seller Central that I personally use. And none of these necessarily are like very important. I just really manage my inventory to make sure my inventory is always available. The shipments, you can use pricing, healthing to see, but mainly it's the inventory. That's what you're really going to be focusing on for the most part. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys opening an Amazon Seller Central account. Before I end this video, I'm gonna show you guys a tool of how you can actually find products to start selling on Amazon. So selling on Amazon, you definitely need to find those right products to start selling. Personally, what I use to do all my online data and grab all that information is Helium 10. So here I have Helium 10, and it's the platform that I use the most when growing my Amazon business. So you can see here, this is the data of as of last year, 1.2 million in sales. Of expenses, this is with all the expenses, advertising, product costs, everything. $800,000 in expenses, which is crazy. But net profit of $420,000, which is up $133,000 as of last year. 70,000 units sold, which is insane. I would not be able to do that by myself if I had it. All those packages, which Amazon FBA, I'm telling you, allows you to scale your Amazon business. So as of yesterday, 2,300. Last 7 days, 12,000, and last year, 420,000. So how are you gonna find those right products to start selling on Amazon, and exactly how I did the same exact thing? There's no secret to it. You're gonna go here on tools and go on Black Box. And this tool is going to allow you to find those Amazon products that you want to start selling on Amazon. If you want to use Helium10 and you want this whole tool, use the discount code. It's going to be in this link down below, as well as in the pinned comment. This is going to give you the best deal for Helium10. And if you want to find that right product to start selling on Amazon and grow an Amazon business, definitely use Helium10. I've used probably Jungle Scout, Helium10, Viral Launch. Most accurate one is Helium10. So you just go to Black Box here, and you can filter through a couple of things here. I personally would put $15 minimum, 4,500. I have a whole video on this, so I'm gonna make this really brief for you guys. Baby products. Let's click here. Pet supplies. Office supplies. Okay, we're gonna put thing. We're gonna put minimum review count, maximum review count 500. Let's put 6,500. They're making at least 6,500 in revenue. I'm gonna put FBA here, and with this, we should be able to find a couple of product ideas. So, like I said, you have here a bunch of product ideas that are very small listings. You can see this person only has 106 reviews, selling it for $20 with monthly sales of 775 units, and literally selling something for Frenchies here. Wow, this is crazy. You could probably get this unit, I would say, for around $125 to $150 per unit, and they're selling for $22, which is amazing. And with the Helium10 plugin that you have with the subscription, you can go here, click X-ray, and you'll be able to see the monthly sales that they're doing. So you can see here they're doing 800 sales. You can see exactly how much on average they're selling per day, which is great. And this is a great tool. They're averaging around 18,000 a month just selling this one product. And with this, of course, you have Amazon FBA fees probably of $750, but you're making probably around $12 to $13 per unit each time you sell an item. And with that, you're able to get that money, reinvest in another product, and create a snowball effect and make a long-term business. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I gave you guys a little bit more than just opening an Amazon Seller Central account. I showed you guys exactly, a few tabs, a few things that you want to do, finding the right products to start selling on Amazon. Of course, though, you need to take the initiative and do it yourself, and hit that subscribe button, because I teach you guys exactly how to do the same exact thing and get really more detailed with this. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.